Hi there. I was shopping in Aberdeen recently and picked up these two sets of little food toys. They're called Totally Tiny and I found them in Toy Town. I thought I'd open them up for you and see what scale of doll they fit best with. One set is sweets and desserts and the other is sushi themed. They each come with slimy ooze and toppings, but I'm not really interested in that part. We've got soy sauce, a sushi boat with wheels. Oh, the inside moves up and down as it rolls. There's a tray, a dish with soy sauce in it, and some edamame beans. This is the topping stuff. There's a lovely little teapot, some different types of sushi. This is a little bamboo mat that's used to roll up the sushi. There are two sake or teacups, chopsticks, and some gyoza and sushi. This is a great little set. I think for the £6 I paid, it's great value. I'm always coveting the Japanese Re-Ment sets, and I think this is the closest I'll probably get. Next we have the sweet set. There are marshmallows with chocolate on skewers, some toffee apples, great for Halloween, a nice big dish to contain them, a spoon and a chocolate jar with Totally Tiny on it. Here's the topping for this set, and some slices of bread. They look marbled, like they've got chocolate spread on them. Haha! These are great! They're like Oreos and have Totally Tiny printed on them. These could be cake pops or big lollipops. And finally, there's a chocolate fountain. There's a little wheel to turn it with. Cute! What a great set again! The scale looks pretty consistent. And here you can see what they want us to do with the slime and toppings. Feels pretty firm. I doubt it'll be pourable. Well, I think the food best suits the 1/6 scale dolls like Barbie and Blythe. Here are a couple of mine to help out. What do you think? I really want to make some doll rooms this year, and now I think a kitchen needs to be one of them. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've seen these sets and if there's any I'm missing. See you again soon. Bye!